Alright, so in this video, I'm putting in my Burger Motorsport Stage 2 fuel pump, whatever it's called. If you're planning on getting a T, I'd get it quick. It'll be linked in the description. I appreciate everyone who bought one, and if you didn't, just like and subscribe. It's all good. But right now, me and Colin are going to the post office to drop all that off. And another thing that I just started was Discord. We have about like 25 people in this little Discord, and I've been having a lot of fun with that. So if you want to contact me, honestly, hop on the Discord and ask me anything. I've been on the Discord so much recently because it's just been a lot of fun talking to all y'all. So we got all this. Shout out Owen, Bryce. We got Brendan in Australia. That motherfucker be far. We got Johnny, top of the bag shout outs right here. Lauren, Michael. We got Eric. Shout out everyone who copped. We're good. We're good. They're all good. All right, we got a bike lane right there in my neighborhood, but look at this fucker. It's a bike lane, buddy. Me and Mason are actually gonna put the fuel pumps in till tomorrow because he's got shit to do, and I'm tired of shit. I'm off like an hour of sleep, so catch y'all tomorrow after work.
My career about to blast like bubbly. I'm not waiting for her to say she love me.
So next day, we only have 4 smalls left and 3 mediums left. All the other sizes are sold out, so if they're still up, go buy them. Today, we're putting in this Stage 2 fuel pump so we can go on E85 this weekend when we go to the track. You don't really need this for E50, but we're going on E50, and we're just throwing this in. You guys remember our video ago, or 2 videos ago, Mason's was all fucked up.
Hey man, we got a big problem. It's fucking leaking gas, yo.
Dog, what the fuck?
Yeah, maybe.
He was leaking, so we're gonna try not to install this one wrong. We'll just leave his wrong. This is gonna be the how-to on this shit, so it's not too hard. You need this tool right there. There she is. Rip that back right cushion out of the back seat. So it's just like 2 tabs holding it in there. It says you don't lift 13-minute tubes. All right, there we go. And all this will be available on Shop Webbies once I finally get all the shit up on the website, so go buy it.
Fuel pump on the side.
Wait, you had yours on that side, didn't you? Why is mine? You gotta remove the... Alright, I apologize. You actually got me for a second, I'm not gonna lie. Alright, there she is, right there. 10 mil, 10 mil, 10 mil, 10 mil. Get that boy off. Bro, if somebody can come clean my garage for me, please, God, dear, come help. Help us, please. And that just comes straight off. She got some connectors on there. 2 of them. Just pinch them off. 2 hoses on there. Alright. Smelling fuel. We're getting high in the back of a BMW right now.
Give me a hot second. Cut! Cut!
Yeah, this thing is threaded. Oh!
Just yank this thing up.
So this is what it looks like now. So you gotta pop off this fuel hose. There's a brown one and there's a black one right next to it. They gotta pull off. And FYI, don't fill up when doing this. It's better.
Yeah, because you're a dummy. Do you not see how much fuel's in that?
Yeah.
Oh,
I'll throw in a clip of Mason's. His was bone dry when we did it, so. I do see an iPhone 4 laying in the gas tank right now.
Do you?
Be like Mason for this install. Except for thread your shit on it so it doesn't spill everywhere.
Everybody freaks out at the gas station.
Gonna catch on fire.
It's happened too many times. I pulled away and the dude just looked at me.
You want to pull the 2 electrical connectors on there on the bottom side of this white top hat thing, and then you want to get that fuel hose off, or just break it. We got all that off. Shut up, dog! What the? Grabs a chainsaw. All right, cut the black thing off with a chainsaw. All right.
Hey, she's here.
Dog it.
It happens. It happens.
You'll be the $3 in your bank account. All right, get the flapper off it. Just use a flathead and just some tabs. All right, so we got the flapper out of the OEM fuel pump. You gotta take the cover off of that one, the bottom side, and then throw the filter on there and just push it down on there. So for the flapper that we took off the OEM one, so you use those 2 pins that comes in the kit to put on the flapper on the buckleless pump.
You put these washers on as well.
Just gotta bend the pins out so it'll hold it in place. So you might need like a needle nose something. All right, so how this goes is the spring side is, if you're going left to right, the spring side's on the left, if that makes sense. So that's how it goes, and then it's ready to go right back in the car. So
now what you're gonna do is these 2 black hoses, they do nothing. This orange one goes here.
The brownish orange one is the only one that actually goes on that.
Everything
on the
else
new pump.
just, it's pointless. So this actually goes here.
And we plug the 2 connectors back in on the bottom of that white thing. Make sure you connect this fuel hose back in there on the bottom. Hold these 2 fuel hoses back off the top and try to get that seated in there right. Throw the top plate back on, throw the carpet back and the cushion on, and then you're done. We got it done in 36 minutes. Hey, while you're banging shit, fix my passenger side cup holder real quick for me. Dog!
Fuck that dumbass thing. All right, come on, start this bitch. First steps for it.
Roundabout. Let's pray to Jesus. That one worked. Don't touch that one. He's into it or just?
I just ease into it.
I got a little happy. Bricked up.
I mean, there's kids up here we can hit. Doesn't it feel smoother?
Hit that bitch. This is what a working stage 2 fuel pump looks like. He don't know about it.
Wait a minute. Do you not see the tire on that bad boy right there? Oh, hold on.
Mr. Too damn good. We're about to find out if he's too damn good.
For a fact.
Let's ride.
That thing is sweet. What happened to him? He failed to realize that it was golden hour.
Oh shit, hold on. Alright, we're going home. She made it back in one piece. I got this weird, funny idea. I don't know if you guys know, but Cuff Boys right here, he's pretty much just makes hip-hop kind of videos. He's actually from where I'm from, which is cool. He live streams, and you send him $45, and he'll play your song. Most low-key artists send him their music to like get their like feedback from him, and then get like some likes from the people who are in the live stream. But I think it would be super funny if I played some like super dumbass songs.
Alright boys, I'm in the stream. Fucking love you guys. There's 14. Oh god, never mind. I'm just doing it.
For the last one.
It's Soulja Boy! No fucking way, someone just doing it. Wyatt, you're a legend. I love you, Wyatt.
Fly with me, Cameron.
Alright, I love every single one of you on the stream. Wyatt, you're a legend for that. That was a perfect ending. Thank you, Wyatt.
Mint. I DM'd him right after the stream. I said, you! And then he said legend. Didn't follow me though. So as y'all seen, after I did the little like Cameron Cup Voice thing, I went live on YouTube and I was throwing up the clip. Mason called me and this is what happened. Mason's calling me.
Well, I just wrecked my car.
You just wrecked your car?
Yeah.
How?
Deer came in front of me.
Oh, heard it here.
It's not total, but it's gonna fucking take a minute to get this bitch back up.
Are you good?
Yeah, I'm straight.
So I'm pulling up. I really hope his car is not absolutely fucked. I'm gonna be sad for him. Hoping for the best here, and I'm absolutely flying to him. So like, and he said his phone was at 1%, so he's really down bad. So everyone, F for Mason 335. He should be up here. It says I'm 700 feet from the location he sent. Yeah, right here. Ooh, bad idea. Bad idea. Bad idea. I don't know. Where should I park?
Big fucking
Where should I park? So what happened? Jesus Christ.
fucking beers.
What's up, y'all?
How you feeling?
What do you think? He called me. Drive fast.
That's all. Well, I can tell you however you hook it, it will come out.
Yeah.
Wait, so what are you trying to do here?
I guess we can see the wheel. And hopefully that motherfucker on right.
Next time you see a deer, just slam on the brakes. You hit it, you hit it.
I know.
Oh, so what, you try to swerve it?
Yeah, I swear to God.
The under might be a little fucked. So we running 11s Friday?
11 seconds to the driveway.
Damn, just the new cops too. Someone sent him some new NMDs.
You can't be mad at me no more.
Hey, tell what happened.
We were downstairs talking about stocks and my foot tapped it, right? Made a little mark. He lost it.
But now they're just gone. So what, you just seen the deer and just swerved it and then you fell in here?
Yeah. It was a big ass duck. It would have done some good damage.
Little 12-pointer?
We still might run Friday.
Yo, I just sat down, started a TV show, and cracked a bag of chips.
Get a call.
Fucking wrecked, dude. It's like, what? Yeah.
Fuck, buddy.
This would be the only time I'll get to drive this car, and it's getting it out of the hole.
Wait.
I don't have a tow. You got a tow one?
You might pop your trunk. Yeah, bro, you have one. Right there. It's in that little right toolbox compartment. Oh, shit.
Put it in.
Okay.
That bitch is deep. Look. Look at the back right.
What's wrong with it?
That bitch was, you should have seen it, dude. It was like to here in mud.
Oh, for real?
Yeah, it was deep.
It did not feel good coming out of there. Like once both the front wheels were on there and I was trying to figure out.
Like the suspension feels fucked.
On your test drive, pay attention. Because it feels a little goofy coming out of there.
The brand new BCs. What? Oh my god, bro.
The Anaconda is Hey, ain't nothing fucked up underneath. We're ride that motherfucker.
We'll be there Friday, boy.
Yeah, there's your content. You got your content today.
If it drives back to Travis's fine, then he might be okay. Wait, so how did it feel?
Hold on, let's check it out. Look, it's Wednesday, right?
Oh yeah, dude, this has been a bad week. I need to stay off the road.
Monday night.
The dart is down.
I got no fucking glass. I'm going home, head towards Mechanicsville coming from Waldorf. I got green light too. Fucking van comes out of Billingsley. Instead of taking the shoulder, he just cuts all the way to the left, and I'm in the left lane, so I had nothing to do but slam on the brakes. Is the van head on or a fucking telephone pole with the lights? So I got in between. I think I'm gonna retire and I'm gonna get something fun.
335. Everyone can tell him, get 335.
If I can find one with good miles and good price.
Yes. Hey, just hit clear coat on MHD. He's got an oil leak.
Oh, Jesus.
Dude, that's bad.
The belly pan's done.
You might have got away clean on this one. Oh my god, bruh. It is bad. Yeah, but your suspension looks all there. I don't even know how you go about cleaning it.
Oh, that's a hermit crab.
That's a hermit crab?
Yeah, we pulled him out. What? Crawfish.
No,
No,
not the
man,
fishes.
it kind of looks like a lobster. Guys, I am not.
Shit, I think he hit his head.
All right, boys.
Glad you're safe. That's all that matters.
So, yeah, well.
All right, deuces.
Peace.
Hopefully we still bring that bitch to the track Friday. I'm confused. I literally just put $20 in this. Look, I didn't leak any. What? I wish I was playing. My heart just dropped. There was a deer that just ran out in front of me on the road right here. Right here on 235, the main road. That's it. So subscribe. Appreciate y'all. Catch y'all on the flip.
Baby, your body on fire. Could I get you right to fulfill your desires? Your body smoking, I think we should light up. Roll with me tonight, mommy, let me invite ya.